Imagine moving a robotic arm or speaking through an avatar, powered solely by your thoughts. Welcome to the groundbreaking world of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, where science fiction becomes reality. These technological marvels bridge the gap between our minds and machines, transforming thoughts into tangible actions. But how do they achieve this? Well, BCIs work by embedding electrodes into the brain to detect neural activity. This captured data is then decoded, essentially translating your thoughts into actions, and it doesn't stop at giving a new lease of life to those with paralysis. BCIs are also offering an unprecedented glimpse into the intricate workings of our brains, challenging long-standing notions about its organization and function. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of mind-reading devices and how they're not only transforming lives, but also unveiling the brain's deepest secrets. BCIs are marvels of technology, embedding electrodes in the brain to capture neural activity. These electrodes detect the electrical signals produced as brain cells, or neurons, communicate with each other. It's this communication, this flurry of electrical chatter, that forms the basis of our thoughts, memories, and actions. But how do we go from these signals to moving a robotic arm or speaking through an avatar? The answer lies in the complex process of signal decoding. This is where computers step into the picture. Using advanced algorithms, these machines interpret the patterns of neural activity picked up by the electrodes. Consider it like translating a foreign language. The brain speaks in electrical impulses, and the computer, through decoding, learns to understand this language, translating thoughts into actions. This is how a thought can be transformed into the movement of a prosthetic limb or the words of a computerized voice. However, BCIs aren't just about performing these remarkable feats. They're also providing us with an unprecedented view of the brain's inner workings. Traditionally, we've thought of the brain as being neatly organized into distinct regions, each responsible for a specific function. The area controlling speech is separate from the area controlling movement, and so forth. But BCIs are revealing a different story. They're showing us that the boundaries between these regions aren't as clear-cut as we once believed. Areas of the brain we thought were dedicated to specific tasks have a far more complex and interconnected role. For instance, regions thought to control the movement of specific body parts are proving to be involved in a range of other functions as well. This insight is challenging our traditional understanding of brain anatomy and function, forcing us to rethink how we view this incredible organ. So, while BCIs are transforming lives by restoring lost abilities, they're also reshaping our understanding of the brain itself. These devices offer a unique lens into the brain's intricate workings, challenging our understanding of its organization. The journey to today's BCIs began a century ago with the EEG, evolving from basic recordings to controlling external machines in the 1970s. This pioneering technology, known as an electroencephalogram, was the first to capture the brain's electrical activity, paving the way for modern BCIs. As we moved into the mid-20th century, researchers began to experiment with using these signals to control external devices, marking the dawn of a new era. Then came a significant milestone in the early 2000s. Matt Nagel, a man paralyzed from the neck down, made history by controlling a computer cursor and a robotic arm using only his thoughts. This remarkable feat was achieved through a BCI system implanted in his brain, proving that the seemingly impossible could be made possible through the power of technology. Fast forward, and we've seen remarkable feats like Matt Nagel controlling a robotic arm, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Technologies like neuropixels, with their nearly 1,000 sensors, are revolutionizing how we study the brain, capturing signals from single neurons. This is a significant leap from the early days of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. Neuropixels, developed by a consortium of neuroscientists, are thin, flexible probes that can record the activity of hundreds of neurons simultaneously. This high-resolution data is like a symphony of the mind, each neuron a unique instrument adding to the overall melody of thought. But neuropixels isn't the only game-changer. Enter Neuralink, a company founded by Elon Musk, pushing the envelope even further. Their goal? To enable humans to merge with artificial intelligence. Their method? Implanting a chip in the brain with hair-thin threads that can monitor neural activity. This technology could potentially restore sensory and motor function, and even memory, to those who have lost it. These technological breakthroughs are not just about creating cyborgs or enhancing human capabilities. They're also about understanding the brain's deepest mysteries. With these tools, we can decode the neural language of the brain, unravel the complex network of neurons, and understand how thoughts and memories are formed. These developments are not just transforming the field of neuroscience, they're also redefining what it means to be human in the 21st century. And with companies like Neuralink entering the scene, the future of BCIs is more exciting than ever. BCIs are revealing unexpected truths about the brain. Regions thought to control specific body parts or functions are proving to be far more versatile. Our understanding of the brain's architecture is being reshaped, and with it, our approach to neurological disorders. Consider this: we've always thought of the brain as a complex map, neatly divided into areas each responsible for a specific function. Certain parts handle speech, others movement, some memory, and so on. But BCIs are challenging this notion. They're showing us that the brain is more of an intricate web, with functions overlapping and intertwining in ways we never imagined. This revelation is groundbreaking in its implications. It means that the potential for recovery after brain injury or disease may be much greater than we've ever thought. We're looking at a future where BCIs could help retrain the brain, rerouting functions to healthy areas and aiding in recovery from strokes, traumatic injuries, and diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Moreover, BCIs are poised to revolutionize how we study the brain. As we delve deeper into the brain's complexities, we're gaining insights that could transform our understanding of everything from consciousness to mental health. The journey into the world of BCIs is far from over. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to unlocking the brain's full potential. What we're learning from BCIs could revolutionize treatments for neurological conditions and offer unprecedented insights into the human mind.